Oh, that is a lot of glue on her lace. Ooh, is that how it looks after? I'm interested. Okay, shampoo. I'm sure that water has to be really, really hot. Because if not, how's the glue gonna come off? Okay, she's soaking the hair in. Oh, look at that. That's a build-up. Oh, this is so satisfying. I love it when you could take off the glue from the lace. I used to do this when I used to glue my lace. I don't glue my lace anymore. I just like glueless wigs. Oh, she's using the brush. Because we discovered it. Wow, stunning. Look, it looks brand new. Love it. Good tip. Yo, that's a build-up as well. Yeah. I wonder how long she's had this wig for it to be so built up like this. Oh, can you see? That is how hot your water needs to be. It needs to be boiling hot. And she's putting washing up liquid. Ooh. I wouldn't, it's so weird. Why would you put washing up liquid for your wigs? Well, I guess it works for the glue. Okay, yeah. If it works for her, it's fine. You can use it. This is why it's good for you to have your toothbrushes, all of your old toothbrushes. Don't throw them away. You could use them for other things like this. She's putting more washed up liquid on it and she's gonna soak it in. Look at this. This is just incredible. I love wig hacks. You could never tell. You would not be able to tell. Closure. I love lace closure. That's all I wear. But can I just say, why would you glue a lace closure? She's using the washing up liquid again. I personally think that lace closures, they should be worn glueless, right? Am I wrong? Because I don't have to glue mine. Like, no way I'm not going to glue a lace closure. What's the point? The whole point of a closure is that you're supposed to be able to wear it glueless. Using the toothbrush again as she's putting it in. Wow, another good result. Well done. Stunning. Really, really good. So clearly this method works using hot water and also using washing up liquid. Look at the customization on this wig. I wonder what it's going to look like after. It's beautiful. Same method again with the dishwasher soap. I don't know, I still feel a bit weird putting dishwasher soap on like a wig. Then again, it depends on how much you pay for the wig. Because if it's like a luxury wig, like Naomi, I don't know. I don't think you should use that on it. Maybe try a different method. Oh, but that does look really good. Oh. Oh, this is so satisfying, like I said, just pulling off that glue. And the glue does turn white after it's been soaked in the hot water, which is good because that means that it's ready for you to peel off. Such a build-up, isn't it? Oh. Okay, he's using shampoo, yes. This is what I would recommend to use shampoo. But then again, you can see that it's working. The washing up liquid does work as well, but the shampoo is also good. If you are going to use shampoo, please use a quality shampoo. We like to use Tresemme. We use Tresemme for all of our wigs. Tresemme is like kisses. It makes your wigs look amazing. It's got the shine on it and it smells so good. And it gives it back the body that your wig looked like when you first purchased it. Oh, she's taking off the glue now. Oh, look at that. Oh, the thick glue. Imagine that. That's like on your scalp. This is why I go glueless again. Like, I just can't deal with this. I know many of our clients are still gluing their wigs. I don't know why. I'm just like, just go glueless. I think I should make another video of how to sew elastic band on your wigs to make it glueless for lace frontals. Let me know in the comments if you would like me to make a part 2 of that video. That's our most viewed video on my channel. Look how many wigs she's got. Who can relate to this? She's got so many wigs. You know when you have so many wigs and you're like, oh, I'm gonna wash it next time, and then next time, oh, I'll wash it next time, and we completely forget to wash our wigs, and now look, she's got like a mountain of wigs to wash. That reminds me, I gotta wash some of my wigs. But I've been wearing this wig for about a year, so, oh, Tresemme, this is what I was saying, Tresemme. I don't use this particular Tresemme. The one that we use, I'm going to put it in the description for you. It's really, really good. It's like a gold or like a yellow sticker on it. I can't remember the name from the top of my head because they've just recently changed it. We used to use one called Salon Silk, and they've discontinued it, my heart broke. So we're using a new one now that is really, really good. Let me know in the comments if you would like me to do a video showing you how we wash our wigs with that as well. Anyway, back to the video. So using her toothbrush again, it all seems to be like the same method of either using a shampoo with a hot water or using a soda. Can you imagine washing your wigs with soda, or using washing up liquid with hot water? Oh, she's brushing the whole lace. She's like, just in case it went on my lace, she's brushing everything. Just fascinating, isn't it? That looks really good. It's not all off though. She might have to do it again.
Now, before we go any further, this video is proudly sponsored by us, Blessedluv. We are hosting the biggest online hair sale party and you're invited. It happens on the 1st and 2nd of every month. And this is your chance to get your luxury bone straight hair, super double drawn hair extensions for half the price. Yes, queens, for half the price. Plus our glueless double drawn lace wigs, lace closures and lace frontals. All up to 60% off. A deal you will not find anywhere else, because we have to order them in bulk from our factory to secure these incredible discounts for you. You can even pre-order to make sure you don't miss out. To join our VIP hair party and browse our exclusive sale collection, click the WhatsApp link in the description or the pinned comment below.
Doing another method. This one's doing another method. Use the cling film to press against your lace. You can see this method more in my part 1 of how to remove glue from your lace wigs. I'm going to also link that below for you. Oh, this says this is a cleanser. I use this to take off my makeup, so it's quite interesting that she's using this for the lace. I would never have thought that you could use this for the lace. Now I'm intrigued to see what's going to happen. Let's see. It is coming off. It still looks a little bit like she's tagging on it a bit. Oh, she's got another part 2 of this. Let's see what she's gonna do. Oh, how clever. Look how easy that's coming off. Wow. I would never have thought that a facial cleanser could remove glue from your wig. I've been in this business for 22 years and I'm still learning every day. Wow. It's coming right off. This is incredible. Now you can choose between which method that you like. I can see that. Wow. It's incredible. Look at this. Oh wow. So she has to really tug at it. So this one requires a little bit more work, I think, than for you to dip your lace into the hot water, because that hot water is going to melt that glue automatically. As for a method, it's going to be time consuming, but at the same time is, if you don't want to put washing up liquid onto your lace, this might be a better option. So it just depends on which one you prefer. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer actually. It's off. It's not totally off as the other methods that we've seen, but it's definitely, a lot of it has come off.